some formulations. I'm presenting on formulation of cosmetic products. This is Maga Cosmetics. We are into production of green cosmetic products for sustainable environment. And then in order to industrialize Africa, I want to share with you on how to produce a simple body scrub. This is the formulation. You measure shea butter and the total should be 10%. You measure coconut oil, 35%. Measure emulsifying wax, 5%. And then powdered sugar should also be measured 50%. So the total should give you 100%. For the manufacturing process, kindly contact Maga Cosmetics on 054 222 6825. Maga Cosmetics, we are there to train you, to equip you,